In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted contacts in Outlook. We'll walk through two experiences, the Outlook on the web or the new Outlook app, and the classic Outlook desktop. Follow along and use the path that matches what you're using. If you're on Outlook on the web or the new Outlook, start by opening the People area. Look for the People icon, the one that shows two figures, typically near the bottom left of your Outlook navigation. That opens your Contacts view. In the left pane, find the deleted folder. If you don't see it right away, expand the list so all folders are visible. At the top, you'll see an option labeled Recover Deleted, or it may appear as Recover Items Deleted from this folder, depending on your version. Click that to open the recovery view. Now select the contacts you want to bring back and click Restore. Your contacts will return to your main contacts list, keeping their details. If you've got multiple contacts with similar names, take a moment to confirm you're restoring the right ones. After restoring, refresh your People view and review the entries to make sure everything looks correct. If you're using Classic Outlook on the desktop, begin in your email folder list and open Deleted Items. This is where contacts go when they're first deleted. To find them quickly, use the search box with Ctrl+E, or sort by the icon column so contact items are grouped together and stand out. Once you locate a deleted contact, right-click it, choose Move, then Other folder. Select Contacts and click OK. That places the item back where it belongs. If you have more than one contacts folder, make sure you choose the right destination. If the contact isn't in deleted items because it was purged, use the Server Recovery option. Go to the Home tab and select Recover Deleted Items from Server. In the window that opens, sort by subject to surface contact names, or look for entries where the From field is blank, which is common for contacts. Select the ones you need and click Restore Selected Items. Those items are returned to deleted items first. From there, use the same Move to Other folder step to place them back in contacts. Keep in mind that server recovery is time-limited by your organization's retention settings, so older items may not be available. That's it. Thanks for watching.